I'm not gonna tape this unless somebody gets up there.
Okay.
No, I think it's fine.
We're live.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the public hearing on the 2026 budget. This is the town of New Baltimore, and we're going to discuss the budget and move the budget to the preliminary. And so in 2026, our budget brings forth a tax levy, a rate of 4.778946 cents.
This is a public hearing. You don't have to go through the budget.
I know, I'm just gonna make mention,
Okay.
okay? And that's what we have before us today. There's multiple pages of line items throughout the budget. This is a public hearing to hear the voices of the community as it relates to the budget. This version of the budget was presented to the town at our last meeting. And we're welcome to hear all input from the community.
Do you want to say something? Yeah.
Do you want me to fill out the yellow card?
No, go ahead.
Public hearing.
This is public hearing,
Okay.
a little different.
I just have just general questions, just things I just not aware of. So on the second page, planning fees, A2115. That 25,000 in 24.
2,500?
Yeah, it's 2,500. It's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Youth Recreation Services, the A2350. So what is that 25,000 in 24?
That was a $25,000 grant from the county for the backstop at the new park.
Yeah.
Okay,
That was expended back then, obviously.
okay.
And it wasn't
At the new park, the third
District
district, third district. And did they put that up?
No, it hasn't been built yet.
Okay, so that's just,
That's still on.
that's the income side.
Yeah.
You're looking at the income side of the equation.
okay, so then that's still available, right?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so what about that, fines and forfeited bail, A2610? So it was budgeted for 80,000, but the actual was only 37,886. Is there a reason why it was so small?
As of September 30th, it's up to about 47,000.
The numbers you see there, look at the top of the column, is August 22nd.
Yeah,
So we have picked up money since then. It is
it is,
somewhat better, but it's not where we want it to be. If you look at 2024, we brought in 83,000. We were anticipating something similar for 25, and I can't say why our income is not what it once was.
okay,
I can only suggest that there are really only two variables here, and that is one, the number of tickets
Yeah.
and the fines assessed per ticket. That's the only reason, and I have no input into any of those. Wish I did.
okay. So you're just trying to keep it the same?
Yeah.
Well, is this an anomaly? Because if you look at the previous years, we were
Yeah.
we were up higher. And
Right.
is this year gonna catch up? By how much? Don't know that. And, so
Okay,
it's guesswork in some
Yeah.
cases, not
Based
entirely, but
on
educated guess.
so it's a decrease in the next one for employee health, dental, and reimbursement. Is that because somebody's not getting the dental or the health?
No,
This was income.
there's income side.
Okay,
We charge, residents, or excuse me, former staff, retirees,
okay,
for some lines of health insurance. Depends on when they were hired. And there's been town board resolutions going back 15, 20 years that if you were hired between these dates, you pay 25% or 20% and 10%. So there's, people, I hate to say why it's going down, but the
That also
unfortunate,
covers vision and dental as well.
yeah, plus the vision and dental, yeah, of course. But, as year follows year, more retirees disappear is part of why it goes down.
Okay,
So this isn't reimbursement from the health, the insurance?
No,
company
heavens
at
no.
all.
These are
It's
from
just
the former employees, yes. Yes.
Okay.
and then the unclassified revenue, what's that?
Yeah, that's a mystery to us. It's stuff that can't be put in any of the above categories.
Okay,
It's odd. You think that we have enough categories for all the expenses, and yet we don't.
okay,
It's not a whole lot typically. This year it's 5,000, which is higher than usual, but we've had as high as that before in times gone by.
so on, page, I guess it says 2 of 5, appropriations. How many deputy clerks are there now?
Two. We have, Jess?
Sandy and Jess.
Yeah, two.
Okay,
We have an adjunct one who's been called up for her
yeah,
duty, but, you know, she has been here in 8 months, 9 months.
Yeah, quite a while. A year.
Actually, when was it? January, or February?
She's been here a year. Just turned.
She's been gone a year?
Yeah, oh, April has been here.
Oh, that's personnel. That's different.
Yeah, no.
But Amanda's been gone
Amanda's
for
been gone since February 18th.
February, yeah.
so the bottom of that page, engineer escrow funded. What was that amount? 18,714.
Those are escrow expenses.
That's the money they have to put into a project,
The engineers do.
engineers do, and then when there's legal fees that come out against the town, it gets paid out of that category.
The engineers don't fund it. It's the companies before us, before the planning board, that fund it. There's an estimate of the cost of the engineering for whichever project they're proposing. They make a deposit. We create a new account that says engineering for fill in the blank project.
Okay,
And then as time goes on, their services are paid for out of that fund. So the town hires the engineer, yet the funding for the engineer is from the third-party company. Yeah.
And there's always a resolution for that.
Oh, yeah, we put that together in a resolution. And sometimes they have to up the amount that's in the
so,
escrow account.
so would this escrow account be for multiple projects? Or-
Yeah. Yes,
So
the
which-
expense side is, yes.
So which projects?
Could be the solar
I think it's
project.
a solar, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Yeah, both of them are solar. Seems to me there's another, the Chima is another one.
Yep.
The Chima gas station. You have to look to the planning board. They'll have the agenda and the details better than I will.
okay.
But that's where the expenses occurred and the involvement of the engineer occurs as well.
So page 3 of 5, buildings, personnel services, and contractual expense. Is that the CEO?
No, that's the cost of this building.
Oh, okay, okay,
So if we have work done on this building,
okay,
that's personal services, not people who work in the building, but work
Okay.
on the building. And then the contractual, that is significantly heat and lights.
okay. That's safety inspection personnel services, A 3620.1, and the safety inspection contractual, whatever that is,
That's the building inspector,
that is the
Yeah.
building inspector.
safety inspection.
Yep, that's him, or them. Actually, we got two now.
So did his salary raise other than the 2.5%?
No?
So that is, the CEO and then the temp, right?
No, they're both CEOs.
No, they're both CEOs, yeah.
But one's temporary, isn't it? Oh, is it part-time? I'm sorry.
Yes.
One's
They're
part-time.
both part-time.
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
both
no,
that's
part-time, yeah.
But did their salaries go up any more than the 2.5%? Okay.
No.
Everybody got 2.5%.
A7020.1, Recreation Administration. So it looks like nothing was used for that. What is it?
That's for a possible
Parks
park program
program.
for a
That
counselor
we have,
or a director
Okay,
for the kids' programs.
which we really haven't done in a couple of years. right?
No, we haven't because we couldn't get any directors.
After COVID, it just went down.
Yep, we couldn't get
Yeah,
anybody.
nobody applied, we can't have a park program.
But
without
we
a
hold out
director.
hope that we will, so
Okay,
it doesn't have a lot of money in there, but it's,
something.
The other problem is that there's 3 different schools in our town and they want to go to the park program with whatever kids they go to school
Oh,
with.
sure, yeah.
well, that's their friends.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
kidding.
Parks, well, there's nothing there. Playgrounds, personnel service, and contractual. What
That would
is,
be the counselors under the park director.
but it's budgeted at 7,500?
That's for the porta potties.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, where's the 7,500?
It's under contractual services, playground contractual.
Oh, yeah.
okay.
Yeah, and that comes in pretty close. You see that this year, the porta potties are gone, but it came in slightly higher. Yeah, that's mostly the porta potties,
Yeah,
that are in all 4 parks.
right.
So how is the playground, the youth programs, personal services different than the,
One's for the director of the program, the other one is for the
Counselors.
remaining counselor staff,
okay,
the teenagers that we hire. Basically, one's for the person in charge and the other's for the others.
all right. Next page, A79894 cultural programs. What's that?
That's the Ag Fest.
Oh. That doesn't bring in any money to the town, right?
No.
No, it doesn't bring in any money, no.
Okay,
It's self-sustaining, we just get this from them, but otherwise, it's self-sustaining.
okay,
But it is the only thing the town really does, as far as,
that the last one, interfund transfer to the highway, $40,000, what's that?
That's our plan for 2026, to give money to the highway. That's a expenditure from the general fund into the highway. If you go to the highway budget,
Mhm.
you'll find a $40,000 income, which represents the deduction from the general fund and the addition into the highway.
highway.
Have we, is that a normal thing?
We've done it, not every year though. I see, if you look back, we did it in 2023, or
Uh-huh.
at least we had a plan, but we didn't do it because, everybody's expenses it wasn't necessary to do.
So what makes it necessary this year?
Well, if something breaks down.
Yeah, plus we have, multiple expenses with staff and, we had what do you call it? We had the unassigned fund balance sitting there in the general fund. And we thought we need to use it, so we did.
When we did the highway budget, Alan gave us all of his figures. We plugged every one of his figures into the budget, whatever he wanted, and the budget was over $40,000 from where we were supposed to be. So we had to fund it that $40,000 to balance the budget.
Right.
Yeah.
Each of these line items, or each of these,
If you add up all his
Categories have to-
categories, it was coming to about $40,000.
Right,
But he was looking for a $51,000 increase. We gave him the increase, but we needed to transfer $40,000 to cover that.
Okay. I,
All right.
I think that's it. Thank you.
Yep. Okay, have we any other comments from the public?
Jim?
Give Bill the public.
I'm giving you all the credit in the world, sir. Hearing none, I think we'll call this public hearing to a close.
Make a motion.
I'll make the motion.
I'll second.
Motion made and seconded. All those in favor say aye. Opposed? Motion carried.
Signing off.
Does this go to, so now it's
Preliminary.